If your Yahoo Mail is sending important messages into the spam folder, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to move spam emails back to your inbox in Yahoo Mail, quickly and safely. This is a simple fix that can help you rescue messages you actually want to receive, and it can also help Yahoo learn which emails should be trusted in the future. So if you've been missing emails or finding the wrong messages in spam, this tutorial is for you. And before we start, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Yahoo Mail in your browser and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're inside your mailbox, look at the left sidebar on the screen. You'll see different folders like Inbox, Drafts, Sent, and Spam. To get started, click on Spam. This opens the folder where Yahoo has placed messages it thinks may be junk or unwanted. Now browse through the spam folder and find the email that you actually want to keep. If you're not sure, open the message first and double check the sender, subject line, and the contents of the email. This is a good habit because sometimes real emails get marked as spam by mistake. But it's always smart to verify that the message is safe before moving it. Once you've opened the email, look for the Not Spam button. In Yahoo Mail, this is the option that tells the system the message is legitimate and should be moved out of the spam folder. Click Not Spam, and Yahoo will immediately shift that email into your inbox or mark it as a regular message. In many cases, this also helps improve future email filtering, so similar messages are less likely to end up in spam again. If you have more than one message you want to recover, you can repeat the same process for each email one by one. Open the spam folder, select the message, and click Not Spam. It's a quick routine, and once you get used to it, it only takes a few seconds per email. Another useful tip is to add trusted senders to your contacts. If you keep getting important emails from the same person or company landing in spam, saving their address in your contacts can help Yahoo recognize them as a safe sender. That way, future emails are more likely to go straight to your inbox instead of being filtered out. Also, after moving an email to inbox, keep an eye on your spam folder from time to time. Sometimes legitimate newsletters, account alerts, or business messages can still get flagged incorrectly. Checking spam regularly helps make sure you don't miss anything important. And that's it. You've now learned how to move spam emails to inbox in Yahoo Mail. It only takes a few clicks. Open Yahoo Mail, go to spam, open the email, and click Not Spam. Simple, fast, and very useful when you want to make sure important messages get back where they belong. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.